Nakukulangan pa ako sa shopping.
Hello! What? Wala pa.
Hi everyone, good morning. So it's officially our 6th day. Hi. So she. Guys, welcome or welcome back on my channel. I'm Brian from the Philippines, but currently living and working in Switzerland. But for today's video, we are sa Sydney, Australia. So ayan, naglalakad kami. Anyway, ito yung nilalakaran namin. Ayan siya. And then we are on our way to meet Kaiser, our ex-classmates sa university.
We're going to meet the pretty and seductive Kaiser.
Guys, so we're eating here at Macchiato Roastery. So, shopping sila sa may Pades Market. So, yun yung parang China, parang Divisoria style. Tama ba?
Yeah,
Divisoria style. Sobrang mura ng mga pasalubong. Like ref magnets, yung mga ganon. Tapos, bumibili din si Katrina ng chocolates. How was your shopping?
Nakukulangan pa ako sa shopping.
So we ordered the pizza, margarita yan, then Caesar salad, then penne. Penne yan na may truffle, then vongole. Then we have the chicken. Ayan. Hi guys!
Hello!
Mga ajuma.
Don't film me!
So, ayan. So, ito nga pala yung hostel na pinagsistayan namin. So, it's 4 beds. Ayan, 4 beds siya. Nung una 5 beds, pero sobrang laki naman niya, to be fair. Tapos, pwede kang, may privacy ka naman since may cortina dyan. Ang problema lang dito is nasa labas yung toilet, no? But anyway, ayan yung, ganyan siya kalaki. And then, buti na lang, walang nag-check-in kagabi. So, 3 lang kami. And may mga lockers din. Ayan, may mga lockers dyan. Pwede kayong magdala ng padlock para maging safe yung gamit nyo. Tapos, ito lang yung Sydney Central Station. Ayan lang siya. So, actually, nung pumunta kami nung Blue Mountains, ayan lang yung terminal. Yung bay number 8. So, ayan. Medyo maulan lang talaga. And it's currently around 9:40. Ganyan, 9:30. And nandito pa rin kami. And maliligo pa lang sila. So, I'm waiting for my parents kasi darating din yung parents ko for today. And, yeah. So, mag-check out na ako and then I'll be transferring to another Airbnb because I'll be staying for another, like, 4 days here pa after Sunday. Hi guys! So, nakalabas na po ang mga nagsistaycation.
Super hot. Super cold.
Kung ano na lang po na nakikita nila. So anyway, nandito kami ngayon sa may Circular Quay. Actually, it's just a 1 train away from our hostel. Parang few minutes lang siguro, 14 minutes or even less than. Tapos ito na yung makikita mo dito. Nandito din yung Sydney Opera House. So may jet boating, mabilis yan. Tapos meron doong ferry papunta ng Taronga Zoo at saka ng Manly Beach. Ayan na yung Sydney Opera House sa harap. Meron ngang another location kung saan kami nanggaling nung nakaraang vlog is yung parang magandang location talaga ng pagpicturan. But anyway, here. Dito pagka sa personal, medyo parang luma na siya, no? So guys, we're going to eat at Hungry Jack's. So, ito yung parang Burger King nila dito. So, we ordered some burger, fries, nuggets, as well as yung mga coffee and some milkshakes nila. So, ayan yung aming in-order. So, ito kami sa may Hungry Jack. So, ito yung local version ng Burger King nila. May nag-order kami ng fries with gravy. Pero hindi ko masyadong gusto yung gravy.
2,000 years later.
Hey everyone, good morning. So it's officially our 6th day here in Sydney, Australia, and pupunta kami ngayon sa fish market. So our itinerary for today would be Sydney Fish Market plus the Sydney Sky Tower. So ayan sila. Very raining, always raining.
Always raining.
So ayan yung aming pupuntahan. So kahapon ay si Maya nakipag-meet dun sa kanyang dating ka-office mate. Kami naman ni Kat, is minute ko yung parents ko since dumating na sila sa may Sydney. So guys, this is their fish market. Ayan, Nicolas Seafood. And then medyo sa harap. Medyo maputik lang. RIP. Pero may food dito. Puro mga fishes. Ayan, Nicolas Seafood. And then, ayan, punta tayo doon. Sobrang gaganda ng mga may tiger prawns. Ayan, pero ito mga live na ata to. Tapos ito meron din silang Japanese food. So guys, ito yung kanilang king crab. It's like 25 per leg. Pero may cheese na yon, tsaka ginigrill na nila. So hi guys, we're doing a mukbang. Ngayon yung mumukbangin namin, be. So we have the king crab legs. Tapos meron din silang mga, ito yung grilled platter. And then we have the fried platter. Then we have the seafood rice as well as the steamed rice. So ayan. Okay lang yan? Sarap guys.
What's that?
The sauce, we have the sweet chili sauce. Sweet chili to. And then we have the seafood cocktail sauce. Ayan siya, be.
My heart is so happy.
I thought you like Chinese food.
Yeah, because of the rice.
So, bagang binayaran namin nasa mga around 130? 130 to 140. Pero malalaking serving nila, to be fair.
Pero kaya pa ito nandito. Oh yeah.
May fries din. Tikman natin yung kanilang octopus, baby octopus squid.
Ang sarap nito.
It's so perfect. It tastes like sea. Fresh and really good. And many. The food is many.
Hi guys, so we have here the single attraction tickets. So pupunta kami sa Sydney Tower Eye. So this is the way to the I Love Sydney observation deck. So may ticket na kami from Klook, around 1,000 plus, and then dito $40. So mas mura sa Klook. Sige. Meron ding Sydney sleepover. So dito may sascan ka lang daw. Ayan, have you seen the Sydney on the other side? Hindi naman ganun ka-ulan, super ulan, pero sabi nila mas slower daw yung elevator ngayon since medyo umuulan. Wow. Fog. Grabe, wow. Yeah. Hindi, upuan mo, be. Upuan mo, be. Bakit parang dito hindi umuulan? Skydiving. So doon guys, hindi ganun kaulan. Pero doon, medyo dark siya. Ayan. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Dito kaya. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Dito. Wala, sinundan si Katrina. Ice cream yummy. Hi everyone, good morning. So it's officially our 6th day here in Sydney, Australia. And the weather is giving. Hinihintay ko lang sila because we'll be going to Kakatu Island. And nasa Circular Quay kami. So ayan, sobrang ganda ng weather. Ayan, it's giving. Parang ngayon pa lang, ngayong araw lang na to, naging maganda yung weather namin dito. So ayun yung mga birds.
Girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa may dog natin.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me.
Hello mga Karepa Pips! So sa mga viewers ni Brian, nandito kami sa other side ng Sydney Opera. At last, maaraw na sa Sydney. So may nakikita na namin yung view, na-appreciate na namin. So eto yung side ng Sydney Opera kasi the other day, nandun tayo sa kabilang side, dun sa park. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa may bandang parang restaurant and wharf area nila. So may view din dito. Eto yung bridge. It's good to take a picture in here. Yan, so makikita mo yung bridge. And then, may mga restaurants din dito. Parang ang daming afam, ang daming gwapo. So, pwede ka magtambay dito, tapos mangget ka na rin ng afam kung gusto mo. Ayan. So I'm with Brian and Katrina today. Yan. So, ano kami, ito yung aming appreciation day for Sydney.
Hi guys, so ayun, natapos na yung araw namin ng paglalakad dahil sobrang ganda ng weather today. And so we went to Kakatu Island and then we went to the Circular Quay. Naglakad lang kami around the Harbour Bridge, the Sydney Opera, take some photos. Yeah, so it's just a slow day, no itineraries. And then now, we wanted to go to the Gidley's Steakhouse near the Hyde Park. However, wala for reservation daw siya. Pero in-offeran kami dun sa Alfie's Bar. So ito yung vibe niya. Ayan. So it's currently 5:12 pa lang. Pero nagdi-dinner na kami because we have a crawl pub tour later na provided, na available sa hostel namin. So, yun, medyo pagod na kami actually, pero this is our last day, so we can still, let's see. Ayos pa naman, so hi guys, for our dinner we have the Australian beef with salad, and then we have Australian beef again with chips, and then we have the rotisserie burger, So, ayan lang siya. And then, I hope masarap to, no? Ayan.
I'm so hungry. Pero sa iba,
So guys, we're having our pub crawl starting now. Ayan pa lang yung mga participants, so baka meron pang darating. Pero ayan sila. For my vlog. Cheers! Cheers for the first overseas with Kat!
Yes. Finally.
finally!
At least hindi kami nag-away-away guys.
Actually, hindi rin naman tayo nag-away-away yung sandali lang
Saka, I mean, kahit naman sa dorm, hindi naman tayo nag-away-away. Alam na natin kasi yung alam ng bitukan ng isa't isa.
More than 10 years.
Just say hi.
Hi! So he's taken, sorry.
Oh, that's so sad.
Maybe you have friends that
You can recommend. No, you said here.
just for a night.